Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm making no-bake energy bars that are shelf stable, have no flour in them, and the only sugar is my favourite, honey. In a mixing bowl, I add 1 1/4 cups of peanut butter. You can use smooth or crunchy, it's up to you. And it's basically the whole container, which is 375 grams. Next, add 1/2 cup of raw honey. And now we'll head over to the sink. I have some hot water in there waiting so that we can sit this in there for about 5 minutes and it will melt the ingredients enough so that it's easy to mix up. You could also use the microwave if you would prefer, and about a minute would do the job, I would say, depending on the wattage of your microwave. And I'll leave that sitting in the hot water until it's melted enough to use, and I'll make sure I don't get any water inside. Next, we add 3/4 cup of shredded coconut. In a 1/2 cup, I just add about 1/6 cup of sunflower seeds, and then 1/6 of the chia seeds, and then top it up with the flax seeds. So we have 1/2 cup altogether, or maybe a bit more. A bit generous on that one, but that's okay. 1/2 cup of raisins. We give this a good mix so everything's coated with the peanut butter and honey mixture. So it looks like this. And then we add in 2 1/2 cups of rolled oats. And give that a good mix in. Because these energy bars are shelf stable, they're great for taking away camping or hiking on trips. And they've got lots of good energy in them, so they'll keep you going. And they're really delicious too. This tray is about 20 centimetres by 20 centimetres. Then we press the mixture down so it's nice and compact and flat on the top. Okay, that's ready to go in the fridge now for an hour, and then I'll cut it into the slices and then keep it refrigerated for another hour after that, and it will be ready to serve up, eat, or store away in the pantry. So here they are, my no-bake energy bars, and you can cut them any size you want, obviously. If you need them bigger, cut them bigger. I will leave the recipe in the description below. And now the taste test. They're delicious. They're in this airtight container. I can keep them in the fridge or the pantry now because, like I said, they're shelf stable. And they're ready for when you want to enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below if you made them and tell me what you think. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. See you next time.